In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice typing. Start by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon available at the top right corner when you click on it, or at the bottom left corner if you wanna hold it. Either way, when you tap or hold, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause, or you can use this button. To manage some voice typing options, click on this gear on the left. To delete the text on the go, use this one with an X on the right. And to go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!